Welcome back. If you look to the left side menu, you're going to see that Groove has a webinar system. You can click this link that says Groove Webinar. You can then set up a new webinar. Now, the only webinar available at this time will be your automated webinar. We're then going to click Save and Next. We're going to add in webinar title. Now, currently, you can set up your webinar as an automated webinar. You'll then click Save and Next. You're then going to want to write in your webinar details. If you want to select an image, you can place one here in this area. You can then click Save and Next. You can get a specific video from your Groove library. So for example, what we can do is we can go and grab a video from our Groove library. Once we select the video, we can then set the duration. We can then click Save and Next. You will then add any presenters that you want to be part of your webinar. Once you do that, you'll then click Save and Next. You can then schedule your webinar. You'll notice here that we have a schedule. We can add in another schedule. We can have the webinar to be recurring or a one-time webinar. We can then click Add. You'll notice here that we have more than one schedule for our webinars. We can then click Save and Next. We can use any of the engagement tools that the Groove webinar system has. Now we're going to skip this part of the section and go straight to notifications. We can have either email or SMS notification, and we can also set up our notification alerts. If we're going to use any integrations with our webinar system, whether we integrate with Groove Member or our cloud-based integrations or webhooks, we can do that here in this area. Once we've completed our integrations, we can then click Save and Next. We can set up a specific thank you page, or we can send the individual to a specific survey that we create within Groove. We can also send individuals direct to an external link. We're going to send the individuals to a thank you page that we have set up and then click Save and Next. We can set up our own registration page where we have set up a custom URL, or we can use a Groove Pages registration page. We can click Save and Next. We can customize the look and feel of our webinar system. We can then click Save and Next. You'll notice that with the free plan, we have a limited number of webinars that we can produce. Once we're ready, we can then publish the webinar, and we then have our registration page ready for individuals to register for our webinar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.